Hello everyone, today we are making crispy fried cauliflower with a tasty dipping sauce. Let's get started. Start off by separating your cauliflower. Next, add it to a pot and let it boil for 6 minutes. While it's cooling, let's make the batter. Grab a bowl and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a splash of milk just enough to make it smooth, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon cayenne pepper for a little kick. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Then coat your cauliflower in the butter and fry them in hot oil until they are golden and crispy. Now, let's make the dipping sauce. In a blender, add 1 cup of mayo, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of salt. Blend until smooth and creamy. This sauce is the perfect savory addition to your crispy cauliflower. And that's it, crispy fried cauliflower with creamy dipping sauce, easy and delicious. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time. Ciao!